Hello everyone, my name is Luis Rodriguez, and for being architecture today I want to show what is the new about Dynamo 2.0 and this feature that for this version you can have add-ons and plugins inside Dynamo. For example, these two plugins that I have are very useful for me. Is Dynamonito and Monocle. And for this example, I have this Dino script very simple in the version 2.0, and I have another window for the Dynamo 1.3.3, for example. And the first add-ins that I like to show you is the Monocle for uh, Dynamo release. The Parallax team was a creator of this version, Dynamo 2.0, and another collaboration. But for example, in this version, we can add some different add-ins inside Dynamo. For example, in Dynamonito, I in the comments I left the download page that you can see with more information about uh, these different plugin and add-ins that Dynamo 2 has. For example, you can find and fix and group. You can isolate in geometry preview. You can manage Dynamo player input. You can see this is a very important thing for Dynamo 2.0 because for now it's not working very well, the Dynamo player. Uh, we have some problems if we want to edit some input. I think for Dynamonito, it could be change this problem that we have, and we we can do graphs, create new wordplay from templates. Uh, we can see the directory package. We can search in the workspace. Is very important when we are work in a huge workspace. We need to find some particular elements, and if you can see in find and fix on group, it's pretty simple. You can use for example, if you need to search a particular element in this group, and if you want to fix some element that is close to the group, for example, the vector is close to this group, and then this group the elements. And now another important thing is the isolate in geometry preview. This is the particular element that I use a lot because when you are create some geometry in Dynamo, maybe you don't want to see the another previous step that you create, and you only like to focus in particular geometry. For example, it's very useful because you only need to select the particular nodes or group that you want to show in your workspace, and the another elements are hidden, unactivate for say. And the other particular that I haven't time to check it is working really is the input in Dynamo Player, and I think it's pretty well. You can create graphs, provide quick access and any uh, dot time file stored. And if, for example, in my graph, I have the Dynamo example that are preview in the element, but if I want to add some new element, I can show you in these graphs. Uh, we can create a new space, and with one click, we can go to the directory on where is the package stored. For example, it's very useful when you try to work with a particular Dino script without using Revit and you don't have this package present. And you can go with one click to the directory and copy and paste and another directory in the Dynamo 2.0. And you can search in the workspace if you have a huge elements in this particular Dino script. You only need to search is something like the work stuff is the find and search elements. You only need to click the first letters and then you have like a list the all the elements that you have in this particular graph. For example, if I put curve, I have like a six or seven elements. In if I try to search a list, I only have one list as list filter by bullet mask. And I like very much this find and search element. And for example, this is 1.3, and I think it's pretty well this plugin Dynamonito. And you can see we have some additional elements, and the another is Monocle that is for Jhon Pierson from Parallax team. It's a great add-in that it help a lot because, for example, if you don't have of if you receive one Dyna script with different custom node and it doesn't working, you can see pretty easy why it doesn't work. And maybe it's because you don't have the package installed in your computer yet, and it's pretty easy to know what is the package that you need for this particular graph. For example, I use one particular Dynascript for build change, and now you can see in this particular graphs, I have in use some notes about the Archilab Bumblebee, Lombok, Archilab, Revit, and Cloudwork. And for example, I put a Spring node, but in this particular graph, I haven't used. But I can annotate in this particular node what uh, or which node is for custom package, and it's pretty easy. In the later thing, you need to do this manually. Uh, with this package is pretty easy and automatic. And we have another example. For example, we can put an sticky note like the window version that you can put some elements in the notes. You can put like the uh, note clock box elements, and now you can put in the new workspace. And the another thing very important is that you can create these standards for Parallels Dynamo template. You can create and aggregate these particular nodes with this particular standard. You have the information about how to install for Dynamo 1.3.3, and it's very useful for this version. I think this is the first add-in that you can install in the later version that it wasn't Dynamo 2.0. I I hope that this video liked you. Don't forget subscribing, and thank you very much for watching us.